Hardly. She entered when it started to rain. Which one fits here? Choose the right one. Head. You have seen her yesterday. She was abroad. Get it right and comment your answers. Can't. If he had studied, he'd be successful now. Level up your comparison skills and comment your score. Correct answer is would. She had her hair yesterday. Cut. He asked where from. I came. They succeeded. Their efforts. Through. I suggest he. Early. Leave. She likes coffee. And he. And he does. The meeting was due to the storm. Called off. The boy broke the window was punished. Who? There are students in the class today. Many. I hope to Paris next year. To visit.